Are you looking for the best folding step stools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding step stools that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Casafield 9-inch folding step stool with handle. Out-of-reach items should ever be a part of making you get worried or even getting to struggle anymore. This kind of stool will make things easier for the entire family. The folding step stools can easily open with just the flip of a hand. That way, it will provide you with an additional of 9 inches if you need it. Many people might get worried about their safety while climbing up, but I can assure you that during the development of this stool, safety was the first priority that they could deal with. Moving on at number 4, we have the Greenco Super Strong Foldable Step Stools for adults and kids. Get this amazing stool that has been made with sturdy materials that are able to handle a weight of 300 pounds. You need to have something around that can suit the entire family. This is the stool that you have been looking for, able to handle the children's needs and also work with adults too. After use, you can also fold the stool so that you are able to store it away in better place, hence saving your space greatly. At number 3, we have the Inspired Living Folding Step Stools Heavy Duty. The smart design the stool has been given in the premium kind of material will ensure that the long lifespan of the stool is achieved. The good thing with the stool is that it is available in many colors that will ensure it coordinates well with the interior design that you have given your house. Wooden stools collapse and some even wobble, thanks to the compact design that it has been designed with. Fold it down and save space in your room. At number 2, we have the Acko 16 inches Super Strong Folding Step Stools for adults. I cannot compare this stool with whatever else that I find the market. The first thing that will make you love it is its carrying weight capacity, that is, handles 330 pounds. When you are done using it, you will realize that the super strong hinges that it has been fitted with are tight and flexible, hence protect your body from falling over. Buy it today and take care of your garden work in a free and relaxed manner. And finally at number 1, we have the handy laundry folding step stool. At times you need an extra step to help you climb up, but around you, you don't see anything to use. Folding step stool is of a much lightweight and will always be convenient for you to carry when you're in a rush. It has a handle that will allow you to grab it easily. It's thin enough for you to pass it through shelves and allow them to stand either way. They are not heavier the way you might be thinking.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.